And lately I've been making a ton of social media content. I have about 15 different channels, a bunch of TikTok channels, a bunch of YouTube channels, and I've tried all kinds of AI software. A lot of my channels are faceless, so a lot of my channels are I use AI to create content. And I've tried so many different types of software, and today I'm going to show you my favorite AI generator. Okay, it's called Luma. So you can read it there. It's Dream Machine Luma Labs.ai, and it's Dream Machine. And I absolutely love this software. Let me just show you what it does. This AI is my favorite when it comes to creating content for all my socials. I have like 6 YouTube channels. I have 15 TikTok channels. And this is the type of content I've been creating. It's faceless. And I use AI. Okay, this is for an e-bike channel that I have. And let me show you a blow up. So it gives me these great drone shots. These type of videos do really well for my YouTube channel. They have a lot of retention. So all I did was put in a simple prompt. All I said was, show a drone shot of a man riding an e-bike in the mountains of Peru. And then what Dream does, it actually paraphrases what you want, and it says, okay, I focused on capturing the breathtaking Peruvian mountains of a man riding an e-bike, showcasing a grandeur of movement in a scene. Let me know if this is what you want or you want adjustments. And this is what I came up with. So from a simple text prompt, it goes in and it tries to understand what you actually want. It paraphrases it, and it does a pretty good job at figuring out what you want. So I wanted all kinds of drone shots. These drone shots do really well on my socials, and they look real. You can't almost tell. It's getting to the point now where it's 99% perfect. You can't tell that this is not. You can't tell. This looks like a real drone shot of a guy riding in the mountains of Peru. So it's just fantastic. Let me show you some more examples. Let's see here. This one, same sort of thing. It looks real. Like you can't tell the difference. There is the odd time if you look really closely. There was a glitch. There's like a matrix glitch, like this weird e-bike appeared. So what I would do there is I would just edit it. I would just use the first few seconds of that. So you can see that it's still not absolutely perfect, but it's getting really, really good. A year ago, AI couldn't do this, and now it's making this incredible footage, though it looks pretty real. Let me see if I have any other examples. So those are some e-bike shots. Let me show you some more shots. I was really impressed by this one. This is a video of this is about just some random stuff I needed for some YouTube channels. I needed some videos of people stuck in traffic. So let me show you how good this is. So again, I was something like show a man 70 years old who's tired and burned out working in his cubicle, and it gave me this. Can you guys see that okay? Yeah, it looks perfectly real. Like there's no, you can't tell that it's AI. Like see, here's another one, just a guy tired at his office. The hands are perfect. He's got 5 fingers. He's slouching over the desk. There's all these people at the cubicle, so it's perfect. It makes a great video clip. Here's another one of people being stuck in traffic. Again, it's perfect. Well, almost perfect. This one's not quite perfect. There's a few cars going backwards, so I can't use that one. Let me show you this one. So this video was a guy just being stuck in traffic, and this is perfect. The only thing you can't see are the license plates, but everything else, it made for a great scene in my TikTok video. And again, same thing, just people being tired in a subway, boss yelling. So his fingers are perfect, The face expression is perfect. Everything about it is perfect. So it's pretty wild. Let me show you some more, something more impressive. Okay, let's go to. So I've been making videos about Japan and Osaka, and there's a whole bunch of pavilions coming up in the Osaka pavilion. And my videos have just been blowing up on my Japan channel. And all I did was I asked Dream to show Germany and showcase their Germany's Japan Expo. So give me some futuristic shots of the Expo in Japan, and started giving me footage like this. So it gives me all these futuristic pavilions that are going to be at the Japan Expo. So this is pretty wild. Dream came up with this, so I use this on my Japan travel channel. These are going to be actual real pavilions in Japan coming up, so I needed some footage. So I wanted to show people what it's going to be like at the Osaka Expo. And it's pretty crazy footage. Let me show you some other stuff I could find here. Let me try to blow it up so you can see it. So it's pretty impressive. So if you want to make your own video clips, Luma is a great way to start. I highly recommend it. I've just made some fantastic footage, and it does all kinds of things. You can pan backwards, you can zoom out, you can zoom in, you can pan to the right, you can do a drone shot, you can do time lapses. Like, it just goes on and on and on. So anyways, so these are all kinds of cool things that I made on my Travel Japan channel. Let's see what else I could show you. Oh, this is some good stuff here. Here's some of my favorite. I made a video about the Japanese Yakuza. You guys see that okay? So here's like a board meeting of the Japanese Yakuza, and here's like a bunch of gangs walking in the streets of Tokyo. So you can see that the hands are pretty good, like everything looks right. The facial expressions are cool. This is like a kind of like a I wanted to do kind of like a Quentin Tarantino Yakuza Japanese walk down Tokyo Street. And here's some board meetings of Japanese Yakuza. So let's make for some great video footage. So this Japanese video did really well on my Japan channel about the Yakuza gangs in Japan. And I wanted a slight animated look to it instead of going realistic. And I just did that with simple text prompts. So it's pretty wild. Let me see if I could show you some other stuff here that I've done. Some more e-bike stuff. So you can see here that this one actually was a real e-bike, and I just animated it was a real photo I animated. And so you can use text prompts, or you can use real photos too. So anyways, if you guys want to try that, go to Dream Machine. Okay, it's called Dream Machine LumaLabs.ai, and it's my favorite AI generator, and I've had a lot of success with it. So hopefully that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.